Damn, that is bright. Well, let me just get this towel off of me because I was sweating. I just sneezed twice, and I missed it. Yeah, I missed it completely. I knew I had to sneeze, and I was hurrying to record it on the camera, but the camera app was so fucking slow at starting up. Like, you know when you feel like you're gonna sneeze, you're like, I was doing that. I'm like, please don't sneeze. Let me just get my camera app all situated first. And nope. Ended up sneezing first, and then the camera app launched, and then I hit record, and then I sneezed again. Frick. But yeah, I'm just here at my dad's. Yeah, and I just finished cutting the grass, so probably that's why I sneezed. Yeah, and I still cannot smell. I cannot smell at all. I can't smell. Taste. I can't smell or taste anything. Like, I just had hamburger. It tasted like nothing. I'm like what they say in the Febreze I'm what they say in the Febreze commercials, nose blind. So yeah, and plus my ears. I try to pop my ears, but I just do this at blowing, so I can hear better, because sometimes that happens, especially when you're going down a hill in a car or whatever. And yeah, nothing. So yeah, bye.